Feeling like the spark is missing in your love life? You're not alone. Did you know that stress is one of the biggest reasons for low libido? And the solution might be simpler than you think. Imagine this. You're overwhelmed with deadlines, household chores, and never-ending to-do lists. At the end of the day, intimacy feels like just another task. Does this sound familiar? Let's talk about it. Stay with us to uncover the fascinating link between stress and your sex drive, and how to reignite that lost connection. Hi everyone, welcome to Love, Sex, and You, the channel where we dive deep into everything that matters for your relationships, intimacy, and self-love. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often whispered about but rarely addressed head-on: the connection between stress and low libido, and how to fix it. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content just like this. Let's start with the questions you might have in mind. Why does stress impact my sex drive? Is it just me, or is this something everyone faces? And most importantly, how do I fix it? Stick around because we're breaking it all down with research, practical tips, and real solutions. Stress is your body's natural response to challenges. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, the fight-or-flight hormone. While cortisol helps you tackle immediate problems, consistently high levels of it can wreak havoc on your body, including your libido. According to a study published in Chronic Stress Can Lower Testosterone Levels in Men and Estrogen Levels in Women, both critical for a healthy sex drive, lead to fatigue and decreased interest in intimacy, create emotional barriers, making it harder to connect with your partner. Here's a question for you. Have you ever noticed how, during stressful times, even the thought of intimacy feels exhausting? It's not just in your head, it's biology. Do these sound familiar? Feeling distant or less connected with your partner, avoiding physical touch or making excuses, a lack of excitement or interest in intimacy, even when the opportunity arises. If you're nodding along, it's time to address the root cause, not just the symptoms. Here's where we turn things around. These science-backed strategies can help. 1. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Studies show that mindfulness and meditation reduce cortisol levels, helping your body return to a balanced state. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day of deep breathing or guided relaxation exercises. Apps like Headspace or Calm can make this easy. 2. Communicate with your partner. Stress thrives in silence. Share your feelings with your partner. You might be surprised how much support they're willing to offer. Emotional intimacy often leads to physical intimacy. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is a natural stress buster. It boosts endorphins, improves mood, and enhances your body image, all of which contribute to a healthier sex drive. 4. Prioritize quality time. Date nights, laughter, and non-sexual touch can rebuild intimacy. Remember, connection starts outside the bedroom. 5. Seek professional help when needed. Sometimes tackling stress requires expert guidance. Therapists, especially those trained in sex therapy, can offer invaluable support. Let's hear from Sarah, one of our subscribers, who struggled with low libido due to work stress. After implementing these strategies, she's rekindled her relationship and feels more connected to her partner than ever before. It's amazing how small changes, like meditating and talking openly, made such a big difference, she shared. You too can turn things around. 1. Identify what's stressing you out. 2. Commit to one stress-reducing activity this week. 3. Have an open conversation with your partner about how you're feeling. Remember, intimacy isn't just about physicality, it's about connection. And when you tackle stress together, you strengthen your bond. Thank you for spending these moments with us on Love, Sex, and You. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into topics that matter to you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to try this week to manage stress? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, remember, a healthy mind leads to a happy heart and an even happier love life. See you soon!